Hello, welcome to Hevlendordesigns. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this 3D box design in Corel Draw. Without any further ado, let's get to work. So I'll just reduce this and put it by the side as a reference. Pick the polygon tool, and on the property bar, you can ensure you have 6 sides. Hold down Control, click and drag. So press your P to place it at the center of the page. You right click on it, copy and paste. You can paste with Ctrl V. Then on this second one, you edit the sides to 4. Okay, so this is what we have. You can just rotate it to 0 degrees. So I have this, and with the freehand to make a straight line from the top to the bottom, just to be sure everything is aligned to the center. You can click and drag, select all, and press the letter P. Then this line will duplicate the line. You can just click on the center, turn on the rotate gear, rotate it horizontally, right click to duplicate. Then this 4-side polygon, resize it, let it meet the edge of this one at the middle. Then from this node, we resize. Hold down your Shift key and resize until it aligns to the other node. Then we can duplicate this to 120, rotate it to 120, hold down this node, align it to this portion, click and drag to flip. So this is what we have. Can delete these other lines, and we have the 3 sides of this box. Delete the polygon. You can just adjust this from the side. So this is our box. Reduce it a little, duplicate to make a copy. So keep this copy. On this one, select all, Ctrl G to group, and you apply the contour tool on it. So we're going to use a contour for inside. Group this, use a contour inside. So this is inside. Adjust it a little bit. Just break a path. You can ungroup this. If you select this, you can trim. Use it to trim the sides. Trim in between for this portion. Trim. So now we can fill with our choice of colors. And group this. So this portion we colored black, and we color this red, this one lemon. Okay, so we do the same thing for this black, red, and lemon. So just select group and move it. Okay, so I can scale it up a little to cover up for that little space, hold control page down, so you flip this horizontal and vertical. So this is our box. Take off the outline group with the shadow tool. We can drag from the under here. We can adjust this to taste. So this is what we have. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when we upload our next video. Thank you for watching.